So, good morning to all of you, friends. In my previous lecture on Rag Darbari, uh, I completed the story and plot till chapter 17. That was exactly half of the story. In that chapter, what we saw that Vedji wins the election, and by hook or by crook, no? He wins unanimously for the post of director of the college committee. He uses all the means to win. And in the next room, what we find that in the next chapter, we find that Vedji principal, they are sitting and Raghunath is also there, and they are talking about justice. That is very ironical, that they are talking about justice. However, they have just committed a grave injustice, a grave crime, and Raghunath becomes aware of the unfair means used by Vedji, by which Vedji and his men won the election. Now he doesn't like this talk and talks to Ruppan. So Ruppan tells him the whole story that Khanna wants to be vice principal, and Vedji doesn't have any desire. Actually, he hates Khanna master, and principal also hates. So what you find that if you hate whether he is a right person or wrong person, no? So you can use every means in Indian democracy to downgrade that person. Now, again, what we find that Shanichar tells Vedji about the farming, that he will be a part of cooperative farm, and he will open that farm in the village with the help of Kalika Prasad. So everyone is astonished by his plans. He is not yet a pradhan, yet he is planning something big for his life. In the next chapter, we find that Vedji and principal, these people are making complaint to the the first, it is the people who makes complaint to education minister against the unfair means used during the elections, and principal knows that it's a situation where he can be caught red-handed, so he is improving the appearance of building, that he has really spent money on building. Okay, so what we find that there is a fight between Khanna master and principal, and principal actually rejects his application, that there are lots of grammatical errors. So after this fight, the matter reaches to police. No? Then principal rushes to Vedji and tells him about the incident, and what we find later, that in the later chapters we will find that there will be a case against the principal. But in the next chapter, what we find that about the Badri wrestler, Badri Pahalwan, na? He goes to the neighboring district to bail out a man, young man, bail dilane ke liye. He is famous for that. And while he is away, Ruppan thinks about Bela and about the love letter written to her. But that love letter was caught, and there were rumors spread throughout the village against the character of Bela. Love letter has been written by a boy, but whose character is assassinated? It's girl's character which is assassinated. And here Ruppan is thinking obsessively about Bela. Yeah. He thought of Bela a lot, so much in the fact that hundreds, this is the line which I am quoting. He thought of Bela a lot, so much in fact that hundreds of breasts and buttocks, all of different shapes and sizes, began to rise and fall in his mind. Now, he suddenly wakes up and finds a girl who says, "Oh, mother." Uh, Not Ruppan. Ruppan Babu is somewhere else. No? And on his bed, Rangnath is sleeping. Okay. and some other girls come, no? And when Rangnath wakes up, he finds that there is some girl, and the girl says, "Oh, mother!" She runs away from that place. And in the next chapter, we find that Jognath is arrested by police and who is accused of the shelf, Sindhamari, in Gayadin's house. Okay, so there is no witness actually, but he is arrested, and they find how police has actually Vadaji and Rupert investigate the matter and try to find the politics behind this arrest. They conclude that police is favoring Ramadin over Vaidyaji. Ramadin was of opposite camp. Okay. Uh, and at Ramadin's house, Bhang is prepared, Rangnath Sanichar and Langar, uh, they meet at a place, and Langar says ki Babu, I will get the copy very soon. Remember about Langar? I told you in my previous lecture that he is a kind of Gandhian person, na, who will die but will not bribe, and he will try at his best to get the copy of the paper from Tehsil which he wants. So here there are gamblers also, and later on Rangnath narrates his encounter with the girl, and to whom he is narrating this incident to Ruppan. Uh, Ruppan actually understands what was the case. She might have come for Ruppan, but he is also mistaken. Later we will see it. Okay. So Ruppan tries at his best to assure him, no, no, it was not a girl. You might have been in your sleep. There might have been some other person, some thief or some other person. By the way, Rangnath goes to a neighboring village to buy some almonds. The badam खरीदने जा रहा है वो. And here he finds some people. He talks them, and in the road, what he finds, just hold. मनो भी आधे घंटे में आते हैं क्लास चलिए. So in the way, when he is going somewhere, what he is doing is that he is making knots of what, the tips of long grass ना. He is making knots, लंबी लंबी घासों को पकड़ के बांध दे रहा है. When people ask that man whom he met in the road, in the way, he asked, what are you doing? So he is just teasing him or just making a joke. His uncle has told him that this grass is very important, and it will please, making knots will please Hanumanji. Eh? And after trying another knot, Rangnath says loudly, "Victory to Lord Hanuman, Jai Hanuman." Bas, that was all. Here, he is going to, then he leaves, he goes to another place, he comes back. What he sees to his amazement, that the entire way with long grass, every place, the knots were there. This is the, you can say, blind faith, andhavishwas, ki somebody has done it. There might have been some reason behind that, some celestial reason, some divine reason. So everyone has blindly followed it and made several knots. So it's a kind of irony, or you can say it's a kind of satire on the belief system in villages. Now, in the next chapter, a person murders someone, but he is liberated and charges are taken off because, of course, it was bribery. No? He might have bribed, and he, after he is left free, he is arranging a party for his supporters. And lots of people are going there to attend that party of a criminal. That is very important. Again, it's a kind of, you can say it's a big uh, satire on society, that everyone is going to that criminal who has committed a murder. So even Vaidyji is also going there. तो खैर रंगनाथ remains alone, and ultimately Vaidyji refuses to go. ना चलो छोड़ो रहने दो. Then Rangnath goes out and meets principal. He was all alone. He was getting bored, so he went to meet principal, and there is an argument between these two, because Rangnath is a person who will stand by the side of the person who is right, and principal is the wrong person. He knows it. So there is a heated argument between these two, and though principal is giving his own logics, but Rangnath is unaffected. Uh, Here, Rangnath tries to calm down the matter, and then he find that sub-inspector luggage being loaded as going to city. It's again a very important. He is going to city. Why? Because his daughter wants to study in a convent school. देखिए, that is also satire on the education system. She is willing to go to village of a because of the backwardness of these schools. No, she wants to attend a convent school. Now, in the next chapter, number 24, Shanichar starts campaigning for election. He was preparing on behalf of Vaidyji. So he starts campaigning for elections and begs for votes. No? On the other hand, Ramdev's brother, he also starts campaigning. But there were three processes of winning election. No? Three different methods about which I have already told you in brief. These are Ramnagar method, Nevada method, and Mahipalpur method. And I am just giving you the brief summary again of all these three methods. Ramnagar method is one of the two election contestants was arrested along with his men, as the other contestant bribed police for doing so. Means you bribe police, he will arrest another one. Okay. Later, the one who bribed the police announced that he is working for them who has been arrested. Means पहले पकड़वाओ फिर बताओ कि तुम्हारे लिए काम कर रहे हैं, and you will win the election. No, means first to ensnare people, and then tell them कि okay, I have come for your rescue. ना एहसान हो गया ना. Then Nevada method, when election contestants were to be contested between a Brahmin and a Harijan. Now here caste will play an important role. The Brahmin made the people vote him by bringing a Baba, some spiritual person who predicted that Brahmin will win. Okay, so people who are blindly following the outer form of religion, they obviously vote for a Brahmin. And the last is the Mahipalpur method, a very scientific method, making some arrangement with watches. No? Watch. And again here bribe is something which is going to play a great role. No? So he will win who will keep his watch faster. As a result, because that was a time when there were no digital timing system, so if any officer claims that this is 4 o'clock, it means that this is 4 o'clock, whether it is 3.5 in your watch. But since his watch is a standard timing, it will tell the exact time. He will force you to accept the exact time. So in this method, the person who makes his watch faster, his men voted and others were supposed to wait at the right time. पहले अपने लोगों को वोट डलवा देगा ना, और जैसे उसके लोग डाल लेंगे वोट, ऑफ करवा देगा, टाइम इज ओवर, and he will win the election. So we will find that uh, Vaidji will use one of these methods to let Shanichar win the election. Now, in the next chapter, we find that a love letter falls on the roof of Rangnath, and he reads it, doubting that Bela has written it. No? For Rukpan. Rangnath को मिलता है, but he knows that it is for Rukpan. Badri comes and Rangnath tells about the letter and the farmer feels restless. Now, that is important. Rukpan writes letter to Bela, but Bela's letter is for whom? That is a mystery. Rangnath thinks it is for Rukpan, but who is becoming restless? Pahalwan ji. Okay. अब बताओ क्या होता है? So he takes the letter and goes away. And again, in the same chapter, there's hearing of the case of the Jognath. Jognath was also criminal, जिसको पुलिस उठा ले गई थी. And most of the people are going there, ना, just to listen to that. It was also a kind of picnic for them, ना? And he wanted to see that this hooligan had to be humiliated, ना? And this Jognath, this Badmash hooligan, he is very satisfied. Okay, lots of people have come for me to see me. So both the public and this criminal Jognath, all of them are satisfied for the different reasons. Okay, so here what we find that Chote comes to testify for police against Jognath. Huh? Langar has also come here and is against telling Babu, I will get the papers very soon. However, during the hearing of the case, the conversation turns towards the daughter of Gayadin, means Bela. She is actually, you can say, a matter of hot talk in the village, because she had been made, who had made her her character tainted. Of course, she is not that kind of person, but the letter written by Rukpan has tainted her honor. Okay. However, in this conversation, Jognath's lawyer supposed that Bela should not be mentioned here. There is no relevance of her. Okay. And then another witness who is Radhe Lal, he comes for another, and he has come to testify, and he is a professional liar actually. ना lawyer नहीं, liar, झूठ बोलने वाला, false witness, ना, famous for bearing false witnesses, and he is so clever that nobody can make him wrong. So lad tries his best to prove him false, but fails. And next, Chote is called in the witness box, Chote Palwan, and there is an argument, and Chote tells that Jognath and Bela are in love, and thus too he wants to take revenge from Jognath. And he says that Gayadin actually wanted to involve him in the case. So that is Jognath is arrested. However, Jognath gets bail finally, okay, and returns back. Again, in the next chapter, there is another hearing of Principal Sahab in the court. He is again visiting Vaidji, Trahimam, but Vaidji remains cold. And this case goes on, and here we find that these ganjehe, drunkards and who are taking marijuana, they are sitting at a place and they are talking, and one of them is Jognath. Of course, he has his own mandali, his gang. Now comes the next chapter, where Shilal Shukla is talking about the young generation, how it has become lazy and workless. Badri Palwan is just working for his body, and there is no fruitful work. And when there is a talk between Badri Pahalwan and Chote, Badri rebukes Chote. You have given a statement against Bela in the court. Uh, Chota remains very unserious. Then Badri says, this Bela is about to become your mother. ना चेला है तो मदर होगी उसकी. अब he is shocked, stunned. अरे Guru, you are a Brahmin, she is Banya. How can you marry her? Na, Badri assures, don't worry, I will take it. Na, it's my responsibility. Then in the next chapter, Ruppan is very sad, and he says, छोटे की, now disclose it. इसको खोल दो मामला, छुपाओ मत. Okay, now Ruppan is heartbroken. No, because who has won? Badri Palwan has won. And here what we find that Khanna Master and Malvi come to Raghunath and Ruppan to talk against the principal. Principal has accused Malvi Master, his character, that he has an affair with a boy of the college. Na? So Ruppan tells, अरे हमने भी तो सुना है. And by the way, this conversation turns towards Bela and Badri Palwan's love. And Ruppan again feels heartbroken because he has written a love letter to her. By the way, Ruppan, principal and Vaidji go to district school inspector to complain against Khanna Master. Yeah. And he is also so casual, sunta hai, likh leta hai, okay. And when Vaidji comes back, he prays to Lord Shiva to get rid of all the enemies. Okay. हर तरह का काम कर ले रहे हैं वैद्य. Now in the next chapter, this is actually last section of the novel, 29 chapter to 35. These 6 chapters. Here the decisive shift is between Bela and between Vaidji and Badri Pahalwan, and there is a, you can say, hot talk argument between these two. And Badri reminds his father about his grandfather who married a sweeper. And when Ruppan says intervene, he gets punches from Badri. Na? So Ruppan leaves the place, and at sweet shop he finds Langar, who is sitting, and inquires about his copy. Langar tells, Bhaiya, I was attacked by malaria, but I am recovered and I will get the copy. His Gandhism is again a very important point. It's a failure of Gandhism, the values of Gandhi in modern India. But hope is still there. Now, Ruppan meets Rangnath and principal and offers to watch a movie for free because Sanichar is actually offering as a part of his success. Sanichar has won. Now Sanichar also opens a shop, na दुकान भी खोली छोटी सी. However, he is a pradhan and people says no, you should not do such small things. He said no, I will do. Actually, the original pradhan is Vaidji. So now in between, Chote finds Sanichar meddling with something in the field, and he tells him that Vaidji is calling you and waiting for you. He refuses. He shows that he is too busy to go there. No. And here comes the sub-inspector. Jognath perhaps had given him and he wants to take back some money. Okay, because he has to pay a fixed amount to Jognath. This is a criminal, is a big criminal. Even a sub-inspector has to pay him back. So he comes to Vaidji. Vaidji tells कि जाओ Sanichar Pradhan के पास, and he is surprised Sanichar has become Pradhan. He meets Sanichar and he is not able to decide. Ultimately, anyhow, he gets rid by paying some amount. And again, Jognath has arranged a party. Now we find how those who are wrong, they are again and again winning. Now in the next chapter, again Badri has gone to another village for a bail. Okay, and here Khanna Master and his allies have initiated a case against him and principal. And here, what we find that Rangnath, who has come to improve health, his health is also improved. रंगनाथ पहले से स्वस्थ हो गया. Okay. And Vaidya ji is gradually losing his political influence, and however he ensured the principal ki you will remain here. No? After I will become a director of what? There is another institution, that is the cooperative. Now, Vaidya ji, who is actually not able to take his son Badri Pahalwan into grips, finally resigns, and he goes to Gayadin to ask for his hands, Bela's hand for marriage. Okay, he asked Gayadin for Bela's hand. Now, Gayadin is very worried. He says, Panditji, I have fixed her marriage, please help me. Now, means here there is one Agrawal who came to the village, and Gayadin is arranging money to give it to Agrawal, okay, so that he can marry his daughter. And Gayadin prepares to leave for the city. Okay, he will leave this place because his daughter is disgraced here. Now, what we find that Rangnath requests Gayadin to make Vaidya ji help Khanna master. But Gayadin narrates that no. He will not interfere. No. Vaidya ji is right, whatever he is doing, he will do, let him do. Now, again, we find the worst condition of the bus stand at Shivgopalganj in another chapter. And here, Deputy Director of Education is about to come. Now, Rupan and Rangnath visit Khanna master. No? And again, what we find that the sub-inspector who had arrested Jognath and now forced to pay a fixed amount to Jognath, though he visits for the visited Vaidya ji, but of no use. No? Now, just a minute. Now, Vaidya ji is not intervening in this. He is very sharp, very, you can say, clever person. He never meddle with anything which is of no use to him. Now, in the next chapter, Khanna master, he catches a boy copying in the examination. However, he is a member of principal's faction, and quarrel starts between Khanna and principal. And Khanna master is forced to leave the college. Now, later, Khanna master is encouraged to raise a voice against the principal, but he refuses. And principal goes to Vaidya ji's house and comes to know that Bela is marrying someone else, and exclaims, "Good God, what an amazing place this village is." Wakai, it's an amazing place. Okay. Now, finally, this deputy director arrives, and he hasn't come. Actually, people were worried that he will make investigation, but he has come for a picnic just to show his wife an actual village. He just want to please his wife who wants to stay there. So the preparations are made in the college to welcome this deputy director, and Master Motiram comes in the evening, and he announces that deputy director will not come. And so there is again a discussion between Rangnath principal and Vaidya ji that turns the case against Khanna master. And Vaidya ji again decides to resolve the matter, and he calls him and his allies and forces them to resign, okay, by hook or by crook. Rupan does not like this, and Vaidya ji is in anger, and he disinherits him from his property. And Rangnath wonders where Rupan would have gone, has not seen him since evening. He might have been some place. Okay. So next day, Rangnath meets principal, and principal offers him the post of Khanna master. Yeah. And what we find that Vaidji wins cooperative election, and he is getting rid of everyone, even his son Badri Pahalwan, and he helps secretly to Gayadeen to get Bela married to Agrawal. So after all these stories, Shilal Shukla leaves the story open-ended. Okay, and here the story is completed, and what we find that every page is filled with uh, humor, satire, and you can say this Rag Darbari, uh, the issues which the malpractices or the issues which Rag Darbari raises, they are still in our society, and still we are struggling with these things. So this novel is, you can say, a real picture of India. Okay.